All right, guys. So quickly, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you guys how to attach, all right, the sleeve of a suit. Okay. All right. I want to show you that. Okay. So if you also want to be part of my suit masterpiece class, all right, just you can click the link in the description below and join my WhatsApp group, or you can chat me on that's my number on the screen. You can chat me up so you can join my suit masterpiece class or Safari suit masterpiece class. Without wasting time, let's start. Thank you. All right, guys. So just pay attention to what I'm going to be doing. It's quite simple. All right. Just watch carefully and you will get everything. So you see the way I've threaded this sleeve and printed it. Let me show you the whole sleeve. Okay. Look at the down part. Okay. Look at the vent. Right, so this is the front seam here. I'm tracing on this front seam here. Look at it. So this is the front seam here. Okay, and I've threaded it and I'm giving it some little pleats that will give the puff effect on the shoulder. So watch carefully how I'm going to stitch it. See this front seam here. I'm going to go forward by 3/4 inch and I'll attach my sleeve. This is very simple, guys. Like I said, if you're interested in joining my suit master class, that's my number on the screen. You can chat me up. All right, or there's a link in the description. Click it to join the class. So just watch carefully how I'm going to stitch this sleeve. Okay, I won't be talking much. Just pay close attention and you'll get to understand everything I'm doing here. Just to adjust the camera a little bit. I'm trying to arrange the pleats so that they don't all gather in one place. And guys, this is actually very simple, very simple. Just watch carefully. See the way I'm arranging the pleats. Can you see that? So they don't all gather in the same place at one spot. So we're almost done stitching this sleeve. The next thing I'm going to show you is the sleeve padding. Okay, it's the sleeve padding. So you see we are done attaching the sleeve. The lining aspect will come last. We'll attach the lining last. The next thing now is the sleeve padding. We'll do that together with the lining. So you can see what we have done here. You can see how it's looking. There is nothing, no rumple anywhere. Everything is clean. I'm going to remove this stitch right here. Yeah, that was just a temporary stitch. It was a basting stitch. I'm going to remove it. Alright, this is actually a safari suit, okay guys, safari suit. So it's time for us to do the padding of the seam line and attach the lining all together at the same time. So watch how I'm going to attach the lining. Just watch what I'm doing carefully. So turning the sleeve over into the bad side, let me show you. See, while stitching the sleeve, I gave allowance here. I left that opening, okay, to aid me to go through so as to attach the sleeve to the body of the suit, okay. So you can see how I've used that allowance, that opening I left there on the lining while attaching the sleeve. You can see how I used it to, okay, to come in. So watch carefully how I'm going to pad the seam line, okay. I have my paddings here. This is my wording. It's, you call it breast pad, interfacing, whatever you call it. Mostly it's known as breast pad. You can see the sizes I have there. One is 1.5 inch wide, the other is 3/4 inch wide. So I'm using the one that's 3/4 inch wide now to still fold it by 2 and attach it and pad my seam line there. So actually this stitch now, I'm stitching exactly on the previous seam. This stitch I'm stitching now is done on the previous seam, the first seam line, okay, when I was joining the sleeve to the body together. That seam line, that is where I'm still stitching now. But this time around I'm doing two things. I'm stitching the lining to the sleeve and I'm also padding the seam line. We're almost done with this, guys. Just pay close attention and watch what I'm doing. We are almost done. So guys, we're almost there. Like I said, if you're interested in my suit masterclass or my safari suit or my vintage shirt or plain trouser class, whichever class you're interested in, chat me up, okay, or click the link in the description below and you will be added to the class, okay. So at this point we are done with this stitching, okay, done with this sleeve. The next thing is to turn it over. Let's see what we have here. You see this? So you can see how the sleeve is looking now. Very simple to fix. I'm yet to iron it. By the time I iron it, everything will come out very clear and you will see the beauty. Alright, you see this. So thanks for watching. Like I said, I want to join my suit masterpiece class or my Safari masterpiece class or any of my classes at all, chat me up and I'll add you up to the class. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Thank you.